భారత్ విదేశాంగ అధికార ప్రతినిధి రణ్ధీర్ జైస్వాల్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Presidency in which Iran is the newest member.
Okay, नीरज.
सर, नीरज हूँ न्यूज 18 इंडिया से। हमारा सवाल है कि भारत का ये पक्ष है कि बांग्लादेश में समावेशी चुनाव होने चाहिए, लेकिन अवामी लीग को अनुमति नहीं मिली है। तो क्या अवामी लीग के बिना चुनाव समावेशी होगा? और अगर अवामी लीग के बिना ही चुनाव होता है तो क्या उससे भारत समावेशी मानेगा?
सर्जना शर्मा सन्मान से। आजकल एफआईआर प्रोसेस चल रहा है, उसमें बहुत सारे अवैध बांग्लादेशी पाए गए हैं और यूपी ने डिटेंशन सेंटर भी खोले हैं। तो इसका जब इनको डिपोर्ट करने का क्या तरीका रहेगा? क्या इन सबको डिपोर्ट किया जाएगा?
ओके, सो फर्स्ट पहले ब्रह्म देखिए, जो भी भगौड़े हैं, भारत सरकार प्रतिबद्ध है कि जो भी यहाँ से भागे हुए लोग हैं, हमारे कानून के दायरे से भागे हुए लोग हैं, उनको हम वापस लाएंगे। इस मामले में कई देशों के साथ हमारी बातचीत चल रही है और मैं आपको आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं कि हम इस मामले पर पूरी तरह से ठोस हैं और प्रतिबद्ध हैं कि उनको वापस लाया जाएगा। We remain fully committed that people who are fugitive, who are wanted by law in India, they return to the country. For this particular return, we are in talks with several governments and processes are on. As you know, in several of these cases, there are several layers of legalities which are involved in it. But we remain committed to bring them back to the country so that they can face trial before the courts here. शंकर जी, यूक्रेन वाली जो बात है, हम लोगों ने कई एक रिपोर्ट देखी है, उसके बाद से हम लोगों की बातचीत हुई है यूक्रेन के सरकार से। हम लोगों ने मुद्दा उठाया है, उनसे यहाँ बातचीत हुई है और उनकी राजधानी में बात हुई है। उस बातचीत के बाद उन्होंने हमसे जो हमारी आग्रह थी कि आप पुष्टि करें इस बात को, उसकी उन्होंने अभी तक उस पर एक कमबैक नहीं आया, हमको बताया नहीं है कि क्या कुछ आगे किया जा सकता है या क्या इस मसले में और क्या है। ऑन ईरान energy, I am not sure if we do any, we import any oil from Iran. Non-oil, those details are available in Ministry of Commerce website, so I would request you to have a look out. These are facts and figures which are available in public domain, so you can have a look there. On International North-South Transport Corridor, yes, India has been supportive of it and we want to strengthen our connectivity partnerships, not just in regard to INSTC, but in several other initiatives that we have taken so that we can do more in terms of creating opportunities and strengthening our bilateral and multilateral partnerships. नीरज, समावेशी चुनाव का मतलब होता है समावेशी चुनाव। उसका मतलब ये होता है कि जितने लोग हैं वहां पर, हर पक्ष के लोग हैं, उस चुनाव में भाग लें ताकि उस चुनाव को मजबूती मिले और लोकतंत्र का नाद और मजबूत होए और आवाज और बुलंद हो। Visas. Yes, the government of India has received several representations from Indian nationals who are facing delays or problems with their rescheduling of their visa appointments. While we do understand, as you also understand, that visa related issues pertain to the sovereign domain of any country, we have flagged these issues and our concerns of our nationals to the US side, both here in New Delhi and in Washington DC, and we hope that these delays and these disruptions will be addressed. There are several people who have been they have been stranded for extended period of time because of scheduling or rescheduling issues of consular appointments, and these have also caused a lot of hardships to their families, to the family life that they have, as also to the education of their children. As you would understand, and I think there was a communication from the US government also, that with effect from December 15th, they have expanded their review process or processes that they have, which covers specialty occupation temporary H-1B visa applicants, and it also is applicable to the dependents who are covered under H4 category visa. This particular change that they have introduced is applicable globally to all countries. But on our side, the Government of India remains actively engaged with the US side to address and minimize the disruptions that have been caused to our nationals. H-1B.
I wanted to ask you whether the reports that India was in touch with the BNP leadership in London